This is a video that showcases the Reseller All-in-One Business Manager spreadsheet. This sheet is available in Excel and Google Sheets, but what we will showcase today is just the Google Sheets version, which is the version we recommend since it is a bit more seamless to work with and has additional features like the calendar visualizations and more easy to navigate color-coded dropdowns. So as you can see on the bottom here, there are a bunch of different tabs that you can navigate towards. The first one we'll showcase here is the Inventory and Sales Tracker tab, is where you will record all your inventory data as well as when you make a sale. So you can see that there's key columns like SKU, status, purchase from, storage location, all of these which have drop downs, and you can easily adjust the names, the colors, etc., which are also all included in the instructions. Same thing with purchase from, storage location. As for purchase date and any of the ones that are date specific columns, you can double click them and you will be able to see a visual calendar so that you can choose the dates accordingly. Then we have category, subcategory, brand, item description. The quantity here is automatically default set at 1, but you can override that as well. But we also do have a version for bulk resellers if you are buying like pallets at once and want automatic inventory deductions, then look at that sheet instead. Then we have item cost here, which is where you input how much an item costs, the listed date of where you listed the item, what the listed price was, and if you push this plus button at the top, it will then expand to show you the cross-listing tracker. Then in terms of sales, you have the sale date, the platform sold, the sale type, the quantity sold, which again automatically matches the quantity that was purchased, but you can override it as well. The sold price, platform fee, promoted fee, other fee, actual shipping costs, and total fees. Now, all these metrics here are in green are automatically calculated. For example, the days in inventory, the percentage discount that's given, revenue, gross profit, margin, and ROI. There's also a few different dashboards that are included in this tracker. So for example, the yearly overview. You can see an overview of your profit and loss statements and toggle through different years as well. So you can toggle from 2025 or previous years if you want to input the data in. And this means that the sheet is endless. You can use it over and over again and year after year, regardless if you want to make a copy of every new year or you continue to use the same one. It will also give you key metrics like number of items listed and sold, as well as visual graphs for you to see your revenue trends, profit trends, sales volume, and listing volume. And you can also see a yearly comparison across the years if you have all your data in one sheet. Then for the monthly overview tab, you can see some key metrics as well from sales, profit, cost, and listings, as well as graphs associated with each of these as well. You can easily navigate and change this too just by typing in the new year. So 2025, you can see all the graphs have now adjusted accordingly. Then we have the inventory dashboard. This gives you an overview of all of the inventory that you currently have in stock and some key stats like the number of units in stock, what COGS, listed value, average days listed, sell-through rate, and units purchased this month, as well as graphs about the inventory makeup in terms of dollars as well as in terms of quantity as in volume, the highest COGS you have, and the average inventory age. Now for the sales dashboard, this just looks at the items that you've sold. So it looks at the high-level stats of units sold, COGS sold, revenue generated, gross profit generated, average days listed, and gross profit margin. Then you can also see your sales makeup by volume as well as by dollar amount and by the top 10 highest profits by different categories, subcategory, brand, as well as the average days to sell. Then you will also see the platform performance dashboard. This is especially helpful if you are a reseller that sells across different platforms. Then you can kind of see and compare your performance across platforms. You can see, for example, the units that you sold across platforms, the revenue, profit, average margin, discount off listed price, and average days of sale, as well as the category performance by platform and a few other graphs here. This sheet also includes a pricing calculator and a sourcing calculator, which helps you determine whether an item is worth purchasing or not when sourcing or what to price an item at when listing. You can also track your mileage as well as different expenses, which will all link back to the overall dashboard in terms of your net profit. In order to set anything up, you also have this setup tab here, and this is how you can easily adjust any of the drop-down options. All you have to do is either overwrite existing options there or add additional ones like here, and it will automatically reflect in the drop-downs in the inventory and sales tab.